back to my channel, Hair from Scratch. Today's video is brought to you by me looking crazy, but this is for all wig wearers or inspiring wig wearers that don't know where to start. I will be showing you how to measure your head for custom and pre-made units. So that way when you are ordering from hairfromscratch.com, you are confident in knowing that you're getting the right size wig. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So there are two things that you will need when it comes to measuring your head. The first one is a tape measure, a soft tape measure. I got mine off of Amazon, but you can get one at a local drugstore like Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, or whatever is close to you. The second and most important thing that you will need is a braid down. You want your wig to lie as flat to your head as possible. So this is easiest to do when you have a braid down. So the measurements I go off of, I will include a picture right here. The first one that I'll be doing is the circumference. So you want to take your tape measure, place it behind your ears, like so. And you want to bring it across your hairline. And as you can see, I am measuring at a 21 circumference. The next measurement that you want to take is your front to back. So I'm going to place my tape measure at the front of my hairline, straight down the middle, all the way to the back. The next measurement I'm going to do is my ear to ear over top. So I'm going to take my tape measure at the tip top of my ear on across to the other side of my ear at the top. The next measurement is ear to ear in the front, which is basically your front hairline. So you want to measure here across your hairline to here. And the very last measurement will be your nape. It'll be the shortest of them all. So where your hairline goes in at the back is where you actually place your tape measure. So those are all the measurements that I need. Now, if you're ordering a pre-made unit, all you need is your circumference. This will help you determine if you're a small, medium, or large. However, if you wanted to upgrade and order a custom unit, you will need to provide all of the measurements that I just walked you through. So hopefully this video has helped you knowing how to measure and go off of a size guide when it comes to ordering wigs. If it has helped you, just comment down below, say thank you, give me some feedback. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.